Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of making money online in 2025 without needing to invest a single penny, then this video is for you. Imagine being able to earn money from the comfort of your home without spending on ads, products, or any initial investment. Sounds great, right? Stick around because I'm about to show you the best methods to do exactly that. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more ways to boost your income. Let's jump in. We all know the hustle to make money online is real, but the best part is that 2025 brings new opportunities where you don't need upfront investment to get started. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking to earn extra cash, these methods are available for anyone with a reliable internet connection. In today's video, I'm going to cover some of the best ways to make money online in 2025 without any investment. From freelancing to creative gigs, there's something for everyone. Method 1. Freelancing, a world of opportunities. Let's start with one of the most popular ways to make money online, freelancing. In 2025, freelancing is bigger than ever. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect businesses with freelancers in a variety of fields. Whether you're into writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, or coding, there's demand for all kinds of skills. And the best part is, you don't need to spend any money to get started. Just create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on jobs that match your expertise. Pro tip: make sure your profile stands out. Add a professional photo, write a catchy description, and offer competitive prices when starting out. Method 2. Online surveys and market research. Another great way to earn money online in 2025 is by taking online surveys and participating in market research. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinion, especially when launching new products or services. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie offer opportunities to get paid for filling out surveys, watching videos, and testing products. While this method won't make you rich, it's a simple and effective way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Method 3. Content creation, YouTube and TikTok. Content creation has exploded over the last few years, and 2025 will be no different. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok offer multiple ways to monetize your content without spending money. If you have a passion or a skill, you can create videos and start building an audience. Once you reach a certain number of followers or views, you can begin earning money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even affiliate marketing. Starting a channel or account takes almost no money, just time and consistency. Focus on what excites you, whether it's entertainment, tutorials, or vlogs. As your channel grows, so will your income potential. Keep engaging with your audience and providing value. Growth will follow. Method 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to earn money online in 2025 without investment. The concept is simple. You promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You don't need your own products, inventory, or even a website to start. There are numerous affiliate programs you can join, like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareSale. The key to success here is choosing products you genuinely believe in and can recommend to your audience. You can share affiliate links on your social media, blog, or YouTube channel. Over time, you can start earning passive income as people purchase through your links. Method 5. Selling digital products. If you have a creative side, selling digital products is an amazing way to make money online. You don't need to invest in any physical inventory, and the income potential is endless. You can create and sell digital products like ebooks, printables, photography, design templates, and even online courses. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable allow you to set up your store for free and start selling right away. All you need is some creativity and the ability to create something that people find valuable. The great thing is, once you've created your product, it's a source of passive income that you can keep selling without additional work. Method 6. Virtual assistant services. In 2025, businesses are outsourcing more than ever. If you're organized and detail-oriented, becoming a virtual assistant VA could be a great option. As a VA, you'll help entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even large companies with tasks like scheduling, email management, data entry, and customer support. You don't need any special skills to get started as long as you have a computer, good communication skills, and a reliable internet connection. There are tons of VA opportunities on platforms like Belay, Time, etc. and Zirtual. Method 7. Online tutoring. Are you an expert in a subject or skill? Why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Online tutoring is a booming industry, and in 2025, it continues to grow. Whether you're tutoring high school students in math, teaching English as a second language, or offering lessons in music, people are willing to pay for your expertise. Websites like VipKid, Preply, and Chegg Tutors allow you to connect with students looking for help. All you need is a computer, a webcam, and a strong understanding of the subject you want to teach. So there you have it, 7 great ways to make money online in 2025 without investing a single penny. Whether you want to freelance, create content, or teach others, the opportunities are endless. But remember, the key to success is consistency. Don't expect overnight results, but stay dedicated, keep learning, and you'll see the rewards over time. I'm excited to see how you can start earning in the new year. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. And leave a comment below letting me know which method you're excited to try. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.